Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to convert normal video to 4K Ultra HD video. So let's begin our video. First of all, open your CapCut application and then select new project. Select your video which one you want to improve, then add it. Right now what you need to do, I just go on adjust section, select contrast. I just improve it 10, then saturation, improve it also 10, and select highlight, and then it's also improve on 10, then save it. So right now what you need to do, you just need to go on the top here, this section, and must be resolution improve in 4K, and then you just need to improve frame rate 30 and code rate also high. Right now you can save it. So right now you can successfully get a high quality 4K video in your mobile phone by using CapCut. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.